Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Google Sheets and loading the spreadsheet you want to change. Once the sheet is open, make sure you have editor access. Without it, you cannot change names or link titles. Next, click the file name at the top left to open the Rename field. Do this now. It triggers the first change that affects both the visible name and the drive item name, which is the basis for updating the link title. Change the file name by editing the top left title and press Enter. This updates the drive item name instantly. Once done, note that the actual shared URL typically keeps the same ID. Renaming changes what users see in Drive and search results, not the raw link. If you need a descriptive link, use a short URL service or update the anchor text where you embed the link. Also, add a version description to record why you renamed it for future reference. Finally, verify sharing settings after renaming. Open Share, confirm access levels, and copy the link to test in an incognito window or a secondary account. Make sure the new visible name appears in Drive and on previews where supported. If recipients report issues, check for common problems. The file may be in trash, ownership changed, or link permissions reverted. If that happens, restore ownership or reapply.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.